Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need organizer access to change Ask to Buy, so confirm your role and have the Apple ID password available. Start by unlocking your device and opening settings, then tap your name to reach family sharing. Once there, locate the child account you want to edit. This is the first actionable step. Make sure the child's profile appears under family members. If it doesn't, stop and confirm they are added. Otherwise, proceed to tap their name and view Ask to Buy settings before changing anything. Now you will disable Ask to Buy for the selected child. Tap the child's name, find Ask to Buy in their account options, and toggle it off. This removes purchase requests. Once done, verify the change by attempting a free or paid download on their device, and make sure screen time purchase restrictions don't re-enable similar controls. If the child uses a different device, sign them out and back in, or restart their device to sync the change. These steps ensure purchases proceed without approval requests. Finish by confirming purchases work on the child's device. Install a small free app as a quick test. If Ask to Buy still appears, restart both devices to force iCloud sync and verify the child's app store is signed into the same Apple ID. If that fails, sign the child out of their Apple ID and sign back in, which often resolves lingering permission flags. As a last resort, contact Apple support. They can inspect your family sharing and account state and fix server-side discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.